Y'all see which one y'all want.
$3. I'm gonna help you right there to get that here.
I can't see.
Hold on, let's put them in the back. Don't let them go, Memphis.
I can't see.
There we go. Drop them in there. All right, get some more. We gotta get 5 of them. Get some good ones now. Come on, Naomi, don't let it go, okay?
I got one.
Ooh, I see you, Naomi. Good job. Memphis. There you go. Ooh, there. Yeah.
Oh, that is a good one.
Okay. The picture.
Oh. Oh, you got a big one.
Big one.
That covers, that's probably going to be the mama protecting the babies from the snake.
Mm-hmm.
Aww. Ew.
What? We got 5. One for Memphis. One for Naomi. One for Millie.
Oh, no. He was flying.
Mm-hmm. He was about. What's the name of yours gonna be?
I don't know. Marshall. Marshall.
Marshall. That's a cool name.
That one, dude?
Ooh. All right, we're gonna do this again.
Hey, what kind y'all want, Millie and Naomi and Memphis?
On this one.
Want the one that won't? Which one is it? That one?
The one that's what?
Yeah, keep one,
All right, who already picked?
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Lele pick.
Yes, you picked already.
Millie pick.
Yes.
All right, go Naomi. What you want? Oh, girl, you've been looking for 15 minutes. Tell him you're trying to get a rooster. Come here, it's your turn. You ready? Hurry up, baby. Come here.